How 2D design feeds into computer-aided manufacture using the laser cutter. Your 2D design drawing needs modifying because we're using acrylic, and so the fingers only need to be 3 mm long. Once the design is modified, we need to export the file as a DXF file, which converts the file into a language that the laser cutter can understand. The laser, which is here, uses a program called RTWorks, which interfaces between the laser cutter and the programs that you might produce the files from. You need to import the file. Here's my finger cam joint, and here's my joint. If I click on the color, I can set the material we're cutting. Then I have to download it to the machine before selecting Start, which sends the information to the machine. The machine tells you on the screen the progress of the laser cutter. When complete, the parts should just lift away, and there we have our completed parts. These will fit together with unrivaled accuracy and can be repeated again and again. These machines use more complex software, such as this SolidWorks. It does allow a far larger range of CAM, computer-aided machines, to be accessible and used. The 3D printer, CNC-operated lathes, CNC milling pieces. Even in school, we had this router, which will cut quite large sections up to A1 in size. The problem with SolidWorks is it has a huge amount of controls that makes it expensive to buy and expensive in time to use.